Good evening. A mysterious wave of drone activity in New Jersey has caught the attention of both residents and authorities. From their origins to their purpose, these drones have sparked intrigue, concern, and a lot of questions. Tonight, we'll break down everything we know so far about these unidentified flying devices. Reports began surfacing earlier this month in several New Jersey towns, including Newark, Jersey City, and parts of the Pine Barrens. Residents described seeing clusters of drones flying in synchronized patterns at low altitudes during the evening hours, and many were equipped with bright lights, making them easily visible in the night sky. Law enforcement confirmed multiple sightings, but so far, they have provided few details about who may be operating these devices or why. Initial speculation suggested they could be tied to commercial or government operations, but no entity has come forward to claim responsibility. Experts in the field of drone technology have weighed in with a range of theories. Some suggest the drones could be part of a private company's delivery test, citing recent advancements in drone logistics by major retailers like Amazon or even Walmart. Others believe they may be related to surveillance or environmental monitoring programs. However, FAA regulations require public disclosure of such operations, and as of now, no records have been filed. Understandably, the activity has raised concerns among local residents. Some worry about potential invasions of privacy, as the drones have been spotted flying over residential neighborhoods. Others fear potential risks to aviation safety, especially in areas near busy airspaces. "It's unsettling," said one resident from Jersey City. "We don't know who's flying these things or what they're looking for." Local officials have reached out to federal agencies, including the FAA and Homeland Security, to investigate further. At a press conference last week, New Jersey State Police acknowledged the growing reports, but said they are still working to identify the operators. "We're actively investigating the origins and purpose of these drones," said Captain Andrew Morales. "At this time, there is no indication of malicious intent, but we urge anyone with information to come forward." The FAA has also confirmed it is monitoring the situation, but noted that tracking drones can be difficult due to their small size and lack of transponders. As of now, officials are urging residents to remain vigilant and report any suspicious drone activity. Meanwhile, tech experts are calling for stricter drone registration laws to prevent unauthorized flights. In the absence of answers, speculation continues to grow, with some even suggesting a connection to experimental military technology or international espionage. While these theories remain unconfirmed, one thing is clear: New Jersey skies are the focus of much attention and concern. The story is still developing, and we'll continue to bring you updates as we learn more. If you have any footage or information about the drones, local authorities urge you to share it with them. For now, New Jersey residents are left wondering who's behind these mysterious flights and what's their ultimate purpose.